How to link Roblox account to Discord. Is it possible? Yes, you can officially link your Roblox account directly to Discord. So here is how you can do it. First of all, navigate to the discord.com and make sure that you are logged into your Discord account. Now, once you're in there, tap on the settings option available at the bottom left corner of your screen right next to your username. After that, at the left hand side, scroll down and there you will get to see connections option available. Simply tap on it. And once you tap on the connections, you will get to see various options available there or various online platforms available there. Now from there, you will have to search for the Roblox. Tap on the plus or view more option available there and simply navigate to the roblox.com. Once you tap on the Roblox and you are in roblox.com, you will have to log into your Roblox account. Now, once you are there, simply log in using the one Roblox account which you want to link with your Discord. So here, continue with it. Then you will have to wait for a few moments for your Roblox to be connected to the Discord. Now you can go back to the Discord and check. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.